They catching niggas. They catching niggas today. They catching niggas today. Catching niggas today. Oh shit, that bitch was a cop all along. I seen that bitch. I'm looking at this bitch like, what the fuck is wrong with that bitch? Oh, that's what it was. I know. I looked at her like something wrong with that bitch. Bitch was a cop all along. Goddamn pig. I'm gonna see how many people they can catch. I'm gonna see how many people I'm gonna catch. I'm gonna wreck off. See what they up to.